Hi boys and girls, I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's activity. I'm going to explain today's for you. So let's get started. So for today, our learning target is to be able to research for my fact file. So we wrote our checklist last week, and one of the things we need to include is factual language. Before we can write factual language and use factual language, you guys need to know the facts. So we need to research them and find them out. So that's what we'll be doing in today's lesson and in tomorrow's lesson. So we're still planning our fact file before we can begin writing it. So we have got those 4 subtitles that we want to include in our fact file. Remember, they are the owl's body parts, diet, habitat, and fun facts. So we're going to do 2 research lessons, and in today's research lesson I want you to find out more information about body parts and diet, okay? So I have done a little bit of research myself, and I have found some different websites and different ways for you to find the information out about the owls, and I'll show you them in the next slide. So YouTube is wonderful and it has lots and lots of videos about owls. I didn't know that there would be so many videos, but there are lots of different clips. There are some short clips that are 2 or 3 minutes long. There's actually a documentary I saw on there that it was 45 minutes long. So there's lots of things for you guys, lots of videos for you to watch on YouTube. This one here that I have posted underneath YouTube, I'm going to do a red dot beside it. This one here is quite short. It's only maybe 4 or 5 minutes long, but it tells you some different information about owls and their body parts and diet. So if you click on that, and then there'll be lots of other suggestions as well for what you can watch afterwards. So have a look, watch the different videos, and they will be really helpful for you guys. Then I also found an article on one website, and the website is called Cool Kid Facts, and it was very cool and it had lots of facts. So if you guys click on the link here, there's lots of information available for you guys there that will help you write your fact file. And then I thought, if we were in school, we would go to the library and we would take out some books about owls. And I know some of you guys have been using Epic to keep up with your reading, and that's wonderful, and we're able to check who's been reading and who's been reading different books. So I thought I would check, and luckily on Epic there were at least 4 books all about owls for your level, for children that are aged 4 to 7. So I have copied the links of the different books here, so you guys can have a read and use these books to help you research and fill in your plan with different information for the writing lessons that will follow later on. So I'm going to show you some questions that I have written that might get you guys thinking for your plan. Here we go. So today, as I've said, you guys are focusing on the 2 subtitles, number 1, body parts, and number 2, diet. So I want you to think about, what body parts does an owl have? Can you list them? So just write them in a list. Can you think of some adjectives, some wow words to describe the body parts? Can you think of reasons for why the owl has these body parts? For example, why do you think it has sharp talons? Okay, so you guys might need to do a bit of research for what a talon is first for you to understand that. And then in diet, and diet just means what the owl eats. So I've said, what does an owl eat? Can you explain how they eat their food? And what body parts do they use to help them eat? So these are just some facts to really get you guys thinking. And then whenever you use your plan that you wrote yesterday, just use some bullet points and put some information underneath each of your subtitles. And remember, this is just your plan, so you don't need to write full sentences. So for example, with the body parts, you don't need to write an owl has wings. You could just write wings, and then you guys will know when you look at that plan an oil has wings, and then when you come to write your fact file, you'll develop it into full sentences then. But for now, for this lesson and for tomorrow's lesson, I just want you guys to do bullet points of some key facts. So you can watch the YouTube videos and fill in your plan, you can read the books on EPIC and fill in your plan, or you can do your own research on websites and get some information and fill in your plan underneath each subtitle.